This year alone, I've made £10,000 selling books and nearly $10,000 with my musical teaching memberships. I'm not a famous composer or a social media superstar. I'm just a working music teacher that's figured out a way to sell sheet music online and grow memberships in a non-spammy way. Let me show you in this video what is actually possible. I started selling my sheet music on Sheet Music Plus. In fact, I still do. I have 500 titles on there. And so far this year, this is how much it's generated me, around $850. But when I started selling from my own website, this is now what's possible. More than 10 times the amount. You've just got to know what you're doing. I've managed to build all of this up whilst teaching full-time during the week. And you could too. Most music teachers who create their own resources are probably sitting on a gold mine of content that they could repurpose, publish, and make a side income either through a musical membership or selling as PDFs. Let's see what's actually working. The book that's earned me the most money this year is a bundle, a jazz trumpet bundle of 20 books, and here's the result. Recently, I created a simple 251 pentatonic resource. Here's the result with that. That actually only took me about 2.5 hours to create as well. This is just showing you what could be possible. I also have a 4-tier membership system for $1, $5, $15, and $50. The biggest barrier these days isn't being technical. It's actually very easy on a Wix website, and it's very easy on something like Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee. It's mostly mental, that imposter syndrome. My stuff isn't good enough. Nobody would pay for this. But there are thousands of musicians around the world. Remember, you're going to have worldwide access, who are absolutely craving what you have created. Hopefully this has opened your eyes to what is possible. If you have got lots of sheet music, or you've got lots of resources and you're ready to build a membership, or of course sell that sheet music, then book a call with me and we can chat about how to move forward together. I have a 4-week coaching program where I actually go online with students and we go through the whole thing together, and I actually do it with you. It's not a course where I just leave you to it. We can set up the whole thing from scratch, the email automation, lead magnets, how to build your audience, creating an offer, right through to selling the products. The link for that is in the description. Remember, you don't need to be famous to make money from your music. You just need to start. Okay, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.